Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, I'm gonna share with you 2 free ways that you can start earning money with LeadsLeap. Now, if you're not familiar with what LeadsLeap is, this is an online platform where internet marketers go and you can actually build your own landing pages, sales pages. You can actually run ads on there. You can get traffic to your offers. You can actually build email lists. Everything basically you need to run an online business is over on LeadsLeap. So you might be wondering, well, okay, that's nice. So how can I earn money from LeadsLeap? And it's 2 main ways. Now there's about 4 or 5 different ways, but in this video, I want to talk about 2 of the easiest ways, in my opinion, to start generating decent money from LeadsLeap. The first one is to actually sign up and use the platform. All right, use the platform, which means use it to promote your affiliate offer or your main product if you have your own product, but most likely you're probably an affiliate. So, you can sign up over there, create a landing page, and start building an email list. Okay, because once you start building your list, right, now you can always promote to your list. You can promote offers and start earning commissions pretty much whenever you feel like it. You can send out email blasts to everybody on your list, which can start generating money, right? And it's absolutely free to get started with LeadsLeap. You can build you a landing page. You can start building an email list right after you watch this video. It's that simple, and it's free to get started. Now, keeping it real, when you're a free LeadsLeap member, okay? When you're free, you can build a list, but you can only send out email blasts. And if you're cool with that, that's great. But you can't build a autoresponder email sequence as a free member. And if you're not familiar with that, the difference is when you got an email blaster, that means you can only send emails like to everybody on your list at the same time. When you have an email series, that means when somebody joins your email list, they put their email in, you can send them scheduled out emails, right? You can send them out an email on day 1. You can send them another email 2 days later, another email 4 days later, and you can just go and go and go. And the power behind that is you can constantly be in front of people who signed up to your list. You can constantly be, reminding people of your offers and who you are and building a relationship. That's why people love to have access to building email series. But if you're just getting started and you don't care about that yet, you can sign up for free and just start building your list and then send out email blasts if that's what you want to do, right? So that's one way to start earning money, with LeadsLeap. Build a list, start promoting your products, right, with your list, and start seeing commissions, right? The second way to earn money with LeadsLeap is to promote LeadsLeap, all right? You can actually earn commissions from selling memberships to LeadsLeap because LeadsLeap is free, and then they have an upgraded version, which is around, depending on where you live in, I think it's like between $20 and $25 or $27 a month, okay? So you can actually earn recurring commissions off of that, which is super, super cool, all right? So as a free member, so you can start promoting this right now. You don't have to be a paid member, but as a free member, you can go out here, promote LeadsLeap platform to other marketers, right? Other online entrepreneurs, and you can start earning 25% commissions recurring every month that somebody stays a member. You get 25%, right? That simple, right? And this is you being a free member. But keeping it real, if you are a paid member yourself, okay, and you're at depending on where you live, in the $20, $27 a month membership, right? You can earn $50% commissions on memberships. And then remember, this is recurring, Okay. So if you decide to upgrade and you're a pro member with LeadsLeap, you only need like 2 referrals and your membership is free. And then everything after that is just banking up, right? So side note too, by the way, when you do upgrade LeadsLeap, you actually get all of these benefits, way more benefits than you would get at the free level. But keep in mind, you're just getting started. Nothing at all is wrong with using the free level. But if you want access to a lot more tools, marketing opportunities, and earning potential, you would probably want to go with the upgraded pro version at LeadsLeap. And that's the thing, overall, if you really think about all the tools that you get, and that's why I talk about LeadsLeap so much, because I've been in this game 13, 14 years now, and to have a platform where I can create all my sales pages, all my squeeze pages, you can create sales funnels, you can build an email list, you can build multiple email lists, right? They got traffic exchange, they got their own in-house promotions, all of that for under $30 a month. That's crazy. That, trust me when I tell you, if you're new to the whole making money online or affiliate marketing, trust me when I tell you, right? For under 30 bucks, you have everything you need to run an online business, right? Or to be an internet marketer, you have all of the tools that you need. You will not have to go outside of LeadsLeap for your internet marketing materials or tools. You won't, trust me. But those are 2 ways, guys, that you can make money from LeadsLeap absolutely free to get started, right? Create a landing page, promote it, build a list, and promote to your list, and or become an affiliate of LeadsLeap. And actually, you can do both. Combine the 2 and just make a lot more money. All right. So keep this in mind. You decide to become a pro member and you want to, promote LeadsLeap on the side of whatever else you're promoting, right? You can actually just think of it like this: you get 100 referrals at $10 referral. That's $1,000 you're going to be earning every month on autopilot. Just think about that. 100 referrals. Even if it took you a year to get 100 referrals, right? At $10, you looking at $1,000 coming into your account every month like clockwork. Hey, think about it. All right. So if you want to see how you can actually use LeadsLeap to make a lot more money than that, you definitely got to watch this video right here.